waiting for Tay. Hey, how are you?
As per usual.
I'm Julie.
Nice to meet you.
Walker.
Nice to meet you, Walker.
Nice to meet you as well.
Okay, how's it going, mate?
Pleasure.
Thanks, bro. How's it going?
This thing is awesome.
You still get to use the bed of the truck.
Oh my God, you do.
Oh, I had a. It's a prototype.
Oh yeah.
You didn't see that.
This is all prototype stuff. This is a pretty nice prototype.
Yeah.
It is.
This is a wild prototype.
Whoa.
Whoa. Dude, that is rad.
What?
That is so cool, and that's like sealed.
Yeah.
I was thinking it was all gonna be mesh.
Nah.
You know, kind of like those. You see some of those rooftop, just like.
Yeah. No, it's all hard-sided. So that material is the same as this.
Yeah.
It's 1.5 inches thick.
Whoa.
Oh my God, and there's a bed and.
Yeah, it's a queen-size bed.
That's
all put
that's pretty
together.
incredible.
I'm just adjusting some of it.
Sure. This is amazing.
In you go.
Oh yeah.
It's like a little tree house.
Whoa. It's like nice in here.
Oh, it feels good. Whoa.
This is incredible.
All the windows open.
All the windows operate, yeah?
You ready to go camping, buddy?
Oh yeah.
Pretty expensive. What?
This is not camping.
No.
This is, you're taking a house with you. You got so much storage underneath.
Yeah, and there's some access panels so that you can get down to the storage underneath the truck. Like if you
Gotcha.
we have a portable power station in the bed of the truck right now that we're using for the electric. So you can get to that, or you can get to whatever you've got stored down there.
And the idea is that the bed will also be in a hinge, so that'll just lift up to the roof.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
We can put, you could put seating back there. Or
Right.
whatever. A basic fit out would include some kitchen counter space, and we're not sure. For us, for our own
Done it.
personal use, we'll have a bathroom.
So has this been
On the
sitting on the
side.
back of your truck for like a week now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's incredible that you can keep the bed accessible, especially with some of those cool modular pullouts.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
You really have so much.
Yeah.
Such a competitive advantage to every other kind I've ever seen.
Yeah. Yeah, my buddy he built his own like truck bed camper.
Yeah.
But it's inside the bed.
Yep.
So he only has 2 drawers, so he could do all of that in here plus a living room, apparently.
So, honey, are we gonna take it?
I think I'm in.
I love it. I
Yeah.
love it.
Yeah, can you guys close the door? We're gonna talk about this.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is crazy. Really good work, y'all.
Yeah.
So where you're sitting, we'll probably put a kitchen counter,
Mm-hmm.
so that hatch right behind you, you can access what's in the cupboard underneath,
Mm-hmm.
inside and outside.
So it kind of be built out to like.
Yeah, bed out to there, the kitchen counter,
Where
the
was you?
sink.
You're talking about a bathroom?
Yeah, so we'll probably just put a toilet over here,
Uh huh.
and then we could sink the floor here and put a shower pan if we wanted to.
That's crazy. Well, everybody check out wombatcamper.com.
Everybody check out wombatcamper.com.
Wombatcamper.com.
Wombatcamper.com?
Wombatcamping.com. I almost messed that up.
Wombatcamper.com.
Dunder Mifflin.
Dunder, that's it.
Yeah.
Brad, you should meet Gresh
Hey,
Chapman.
Brad.
Hey, no, mate.
Nice to meet you, Gresh.
And this is Julie. Julie.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Gresh.
Gresh is a friend of ours. He's an industrial designer.
Okay.
working in town for the summer with some other friends of ours on some custom car stuff. Your specialty's in composites, actually, right?
Oh, I
had-
like composites.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I figured. Yeah, I had camper aspirations once, and it was my first fiberglass project, so it was like a total disaster. But I still have a lot of inspo to take, and hopefully I'll make another one.
Yeah, absolutely.
This is awesome.
What are the walls of this one made out of, composite-wise?
So it is composite, but it's not a fiberglass composite.
Right.
So what we did, because it's a prototype, we wanted to make it quickly. It's quarter-inch plywood glued onto half-inch foam. That's what it is.
Right.
So it's as light as, and I wouldn't say as strong as, but it's as light as sandwich composite that we use in the trailers.
Right. Which is a pre-manufactured.
You've seen the panel.
Yeah. That's the foam
this
panel
is
there,
the-
right.
Yeah.
That they cut. Brad has one of the biggest CNC routers I've ever seen.
Your size does matter.
That's
Yeah.
what we use on our trailers.
Awesome. Yeah. Yeah. Oftentimes it's those sandwich core things have more strength than anything.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
That's like all the like unibody cars and or the like monocoque carbon chassis are just like this.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. That's
surprisingly rigid.
plywood or something on
It's
that.
fiberglass.
Oh, on this one it is
This
glass.
fiberglass.
That's fiberglass. We use plywood on this one because it's a prototype and we're still moving things, and
Yeah.
it just makes it a lot
So in the
easier.
build process, we moved to hatch, which we've actually done that before in other prototypes. And
You gotta see it expand.
All right, you want to see it?
I would love to. I'm sorry I'm late to the party.
Literally less than 30 seconds.
Oh man.
Some of your glue still running on the end.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
So good.
Wow, I'm so glad you're here to see this.
Yeah.
And there's a queen bed inside.
That's amazing.
And you have all of your truck bed storage, so you do one of those modular pull-out situations in there.
Can I get in it?
Yeah.
You will fit.
Will Tay fit? That is the big question. Tay Whiteside, full 8'6". Is he gonna be able to stand up?
Holy
my
crap.
God. Tay Whiteside does not hit
Dude.
his head.
I've officially not hit my head in here. Brad, this is extremely impressive.
Right?
I think you could sell a bajillion of these.
I hope so.
Yeah.
I'd love to.
This is nuts.
I'd love to build a
I mean, the J Series camper is amazing, but this is something that I didn't know could exist.
And it goes on.
You know, if you Google enough stuff, you can figure it out.
No, don't Google. Just go to wombatcampers.com and buy 12. Don't be that.
It's on Amazon.
This is?
No.
Oh. This is epic.
Yeah.
There's so much space in here. Gresh, get in here.
I'm coming up, Tay.
There's so much space.
And that's a queen size bed.
That's a queen.
Yeah.
Wow. Legit. Oh my god. This is bigger than like a Japanese hotel room. Gresh could attest to that probably.
Yeah. No, I've been in the pods.
Yeah.
This is like 3 pods.
That collapses into one pod.
Yeah. Speaker.
I think
A fan, yeah.
You get used to it though.
Yeah, my head.
The only time he hits his head is on the way out.
Oh, I left that open, sorry.
That's alright.
That's
I have
alright.
to go in to close it anyway. So.
Yeah? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
It takes like 10 times and
10
then I'll
times.
finally. Yeah, so it's not like a Jeep soft top that'll like get weird.
No,
and
it's not
floppy.
fabric. It's not a soft top. It's all fully hard sided.
Yeah.
Those upper walls are 1.5 inches thick.
That's epic.
You know, great for the summer with a bit of air conditioning. Great in the winter time.
Their country.
Their country.
That foam core is almost like insulation as well.
Yeah. Oh, it is. It is.
I think you got something here.
But it's good to see everyone's reaction.
Yeah.
Because like we get so close to it. You know?
You could charge for tickets for people to watch this thing open and close. Are you ready for it to go back down? Yeah.
I've done it dozens of times.
I'm not gonna trick this.
And so then, whatever final version of this, that becomes your.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright.
Jules.
Yeah?
Window.
I don't know.
Yeah. I need to break that.
How long have y'all been working on it? I gotta say, the merch does not look new. It looks like you've been wearing like the Wombat hat for some time.
A while.
That's good.
He's listening.
Yep.
This one.
This one.
Yeah. Oh, really?
The trailing's like been going for a while.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see, I see.
Camper. Less than a
Yeah,
year.
less than a year.
That's an That's way less.
That hinging technique, there's. It really is origami-esque.
Yeah.
I think it's probably more aerodynamic than we thought it was going to be.
Yeah. 17 miles to the gallon
Yeah.
with a house in the back of your truck.
Yeah.
On an old truck,
Yeah, on a Chevy 04 Colorado.
06,
Yeah, that's close.
Yeah. Ballpark, yeah.
Yeah.
with nearly 200,000 miles
Yeah,
on
of
it.
course. They all do, by the way, have 17 miles.
Yeah, even once fresh off the lot.
And these are accessible from the
Teardrop,
side.
but which I know is not new, but
Oh,
like,
nice.
it just
Yeah.
So you can like still get
kind
to
of like
things.
backstroke.
Yeah, and there's hatches in the floor as well.
Cool.
So you can get down to the bed.
So we are getting a patent for this.
What's that?
We're getting a patent for this. We're going to get patent.
Oh, good.
yeah.
Hey, yeah, I thought you said you're getting paid for this.
No,
I'm
no,
like,
no.
I hope so.
Let me translate patent.
Yeah, yeah. Sorry.
Thank you.
That's of all the. I consume a lot of Australian content, and patent is not a word that I guess most of the creators I watch say.
Yeah.
Normally, I'm in tune with it.
Yeah.
Hey, don't change.
I'm not
Don't change for us.
I
Yeah.
won't.
Definitely don't.
We'll say patent.
You should, though. By the way,
Yeah.
as soon as possible.
And we are.
Well, I think
we
they already
are.
applied, yeah.
Cool, man.
Thank you guys.
Yeah, thanks for
Thank you.
showing it off.